Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp on your computer. And the good news is once you link your WhatsApp to your computer, you can operate your WhatsApp without the need of having your smartphone. So let's get into it. To get started, you need to go and open a browser on your computer and then search for WhatsApp. Here we have WhatsApp, the desktop version. Go ahead and open it. Once you have opened it, go and log on it. Now, as you can see, once we open our WhatsApp and click on login, we are taken to WhatsApp web version that you can see here. So we're going to use this WhatsApp web version to be able to link our smartphone to WhatsApp. Now, what we need to do is to follow this procedure. First, you need to have your smartphone with you for the first time when you're linking this. There are steps here that we need to follow. One, you have to open your WhatsApp on your smartphone and then tap on the menu on your Android or settings on your iPhone. From here, we tap link device and then link a device. And number 4, point your phone at the screen to scan the QR code. As you can see, there is a QR code here that we need to scan. Now, I'll go ahead and follow these steps on my smartphone to be able to link my WhatsApp. Now I am on my smartphone. Let me follow the same step to link my smartphone to my computer. So I'll click on the 3 dots and then tap on link devices option. And from here, I'll tap on link a device. Now, as you can see, it has opened a QR code. I have just to point the QR code to the computer to read it. Now, as you can see on the computer, it has captured and it is now loading the chats that I have on my smartphone. It is done. My WhatsApp chats have all been copied to my computer, and now I have all the communication. I can do the chatting straight from my computer, send messages just as I will do with my normal WhatsApp on my smartphone. Now, once I've done this, you will not need to hang around with your phone to be able to chat. You can do this when you are away from your phone or even when your phone is off. If you found this video useful, kindly consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching.